Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we are working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm continuing my sun series, and this particular sun was created with 3 different spray paints. I wanted a little bit of an orangey red hue to it. I'm not sure if that's where I'm going to be happy with the end result. But we'll wait until it's all dry and the final piece is done, and then if I have to touch it up with something else, I will. But right now I'm liking what I see. There are tones of a bronze in there as well as the gold, and I love this slight overspray, yeah, against the black background. Okay. The colors I have mixed up, first is Abalone by This Little Piggy Pigment, and now I'm officially out, so I need some more. I'm also using Burnt Sierra that I'm actually out of as well, and that is a pigment by This Little Piggy. And then this is Constellation. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in this pour, but I do have wonderful Bordeaux Red by Arteza. I have the 24K Gold, a Usual Suspect. I've got the black, and I also have Titanium White. So these are the colors that we are going to be working with today. And again, I may or may not put them all in the pour. So I'm still on the fence on what colors I really want to work with. I am, however, going to move this over temporarily so I can layer my cups. And we are going to use the cute little shovel. And the last I knew, it was sold out on Amazon. I'm sorry. I'm not sure when they will be back in stock. I did contact the company, and they actually told me that they don't sell on Amazon, that it's one of their vendors. But you guys can go to their website, and I will include that in the video description box. So let's get to layering these cups. I'm not going to use that one. I don't like the color of it. I got spray paint on it. We're going to do 2 cups, multiple pours into the shovel. We are going to start with a little bit of the white. And then I'm going to come in with gold. I'm going to follow that with black. And then we'll come in with the Abalone, which I absolutely love. And then we'll follow that with Constellation. I don't want to put that next to the orange or the red. So, and then we'll do a little white, some gold, and then follow that. Oh, well, you know what? I'm going to follow that with the Burnt Sierra. I really want these colors to pop, so I'm not quite sure how they're going to turn out. And I'm going to follow that with gold. I hope I'm on camera. Did I press record? I did. Okay, we're good. So, and then I'm going to come in with the Bordeaux Red, Burnt Sierra, and I'm going to just leave it as is. And then on this one, I'm going to actually come in with the black, and I think that's a little too much, so let's back that up a little bit. And then come in with Abalone, and maybe a little bit of white, some gold, Burnt Sierra, the Bordeaux, come in with gold again. We'll do black. And abalone. And let's see, maybe we'll just drizzle the top of that with some gold. Okay, that is where I think we're gonna leave off. A little drizzle here and there. All right, let me move these out of the way. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually just put a little bit of the black in the pan. I just want to kind of coat the dustpan ever so slightly. With a nice generous amount of black paint. And now I'm gonna pour All right, here we are. So I added a little bit of white. I felt like it needed some, and then I did tilt some off, but look at all this color shifting here. It will be green against the black. So it really changes once it's dry. And this is all the algae, or is it abalone? What did I do? Algae. I don't know why I said abalone, but okay. But I am really liking this, and we'll see how it turns out. I don't know, guys. That's it for now, but thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye.